Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video today I am going to show our pineapple farming, harvesting and processing in factory. Let's start. Pineapple is a native to Uruguay, Brazil, Paraguay of South America, a tropical phenomenal herb with multiple fruit. It is the only common food plant of Bromencia. It is cultivated commercially in the tropics and part of the subtropics of the world, with Hawaii producing 1/3 of the world's crop. Pineapple from a Kansas bar, Anansodite was domesticated by the Tupi-Guarana Indians and accompanied them in their northward migration of the Atlas. Northern and Central America before arrival of the Spanish. Unlike other edible plants from the New World, pineapple discovered by Europeans by 1943 was quickly accepted by the Europeans. Following the discovery of pineapple, it was soon to be found in various foreign countries, either by accident or by intent to introduce the special of the New Land, and it is grown in the various parts of the world, including Australia. Spanish introduced the pineapple to the Philippines and may have taken it Hawaii and Guam early in the 16th century. Portuguese traders are said to have taken seeds. They have also introduced the pineapples to East and West Coast of America. The plant was growing in China in 1543, the South America about 1655. It reached Europe in 1650, and fruits were being produced in Holland in 1683. Pineapple is cultivated predominantly for its fruit that is consumed fresh or as canned fruit and juice. Pineapple is the only source of bromelia, a complex protein engine used in the pharmaceuticals market. Today, we are going to pineapple farm in some states like Hawaii, Florida and California in the United States to see how the farmers here cultivate and harvest millions of pineapples. Mid-February is the time when farmers in Florida and California start growing pineapple. In Hawaii, pineapple planting usually takes place about 3 weeks later. The young pineapple plants are separated from the mother tree trunk, then they will be transferred to new lands. Currently, to the total area used for pineapple farming in the United States is about 15,000 acres, much less than the area planted with the fruit less than such apple and pear. Before planting, these pineapple trees will be sprayed with stimulate to make it easier for them to grow deeper into the ground. This worker will plant about 15,000 apple trees per acre in the period from 20 to 23 pineapples. However, with the presence of many other fruit, the area of land used for pineapple cultivation has gradually narrowed. Pineapple is a crop good drought tolerance. However, in order to pineapples to grow in best way, millions of pineapple trees here will be watered once a week of agriculture. Experts suggest that each pineapple plant needs about 1.2 inches of water per week. Currently, most pineapple variants grow in the United States take about 2 years to be harvested. Before the harvest taken place, several parameters such as the sweetness of the pineapple. The pineapple harvest has begun. Millions of the pineapples will be hard-picked. Every year, about 3,040 workers flock to the pineapple farm in the United States to harvest pineapples. In 2020, US pineapple production was about 169,000 tons, while worldwide pineapple production is around 27.6 million tons. Currently, pineapples consumed in the United States are mainly imported from Costa Rica, Mexico, and Honduras. On average, each American consumes about 7.6 pounds of pineapple per year. This is what's going on the canned factory. Here the pineapple will be washed, peeled and cut into small pieces. Next, we will visit another pineapple packing factory. If you don't like eating pineapple the usual way of you can eating dried pineapple, here the pineapple will be cut into thin slices before being put into the oven. At the end of this video, we will take a look at a pineapple harvesting process in Costa Rica, the world's largest pineapple exporter. How do you feel about the processing of growing and harvesting pineapple in this video? Let us know what do you think in this comment section of this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.